Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today I'm doing a chatty cleaning routine, so I'm going to be picking up the whole house pretty much while answering your questions because I asked you guys on Instagram story and on YouTube if you had any questions you wanted me to answer in a video. This basically is like a Q&A with picking up and organizing and all of that stuff because I know you guys love that. So I hope that you enjoy this because I've never done a video like this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. And if you find That's Chad. If you find inspiration for your everyday life from this video, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and let's get started. There's a pretty big mess in the kitchen as always. It's either really clean or really dirty. Obviously right now it's pretty dirty, so I have so many dishes in the sink and just random things on the counter. Water glass, a box from an Apple Watch for Chad. I'm still waiting for my Apple Watch, a cutting board, pots and pans, all of that stuff I need to do. And then just random stuff here on the table, a pair of shorts I need to put away. I need to get rid of that packaging. That's from the swimmer's ear. I asked you guys about this on Instagram story because my ear had water in it for like 3 days and you guys recommended that and it worked. My computer, a camera. And then the living room is such a mess. It just has random stuff all over the place. That stuff from taking the thumbnail from my last video, a bunch of stuff for cameras and lighting, and a tripod, and one of those guys, a light. So all that stuff needs to be put in my office. Starting out in the kitchen as always, and life has been so busy for us these last few weeks, so I'm taking care of everything from the night before. I know, so bad to leave it out, but that's just what happens sometimes. The first question is from Liliana. She asked, which other YouTubers do you like to watch? How has YouTube influenced your life? Love your channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And I love to watch people that just share their everyday, regular life. That's what I relate to. So I really like Haley Page and Aaron Williams. I love It's Judy's Life. I have watched them forever. And one of my favorite parts about like filming videos and being on YouTube and watching other people is just seeing so many different ways of life. And I feel like I see so much more opportunity from life just seeing so many other people's perspectives. So I really love that. Next is Adriana. She asked, what gets you motivated to get up early in the morning? And honestly, with YouTube, there's always so much more I could be doing. I'm one of those people where I'm never satisfied. I'm always pushing for more and just working on so many different things. So that definitely pulls me out of bed in the morning. I don't sleep in that late. I typically wake up around 6:30 or 7 on weekdays especially. So not really early, but definitely not late.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right.
Rebecca would like to know if I'm doing Vlogmas, and I'm really not sure, you guys. I'm thinking about it. If you guys think I should, then give this video a thumbs up. But an idea I had was to do a weekly vlog with snippets of several days in it. I do pretty much the same thing every day, just work on videos and all that stuff. So I feel like it'd be really repetitive, but let me know what you guys think.
Love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck.
In just a second, I show you guys how I set this up. So these are my favorite fall products from Grove Collaborative. I always link them below, and this is the apple cider line from Mrs. Meyer's. If you guys need a little motivation to pick up in the kitchen especially, I totally recommend picking up some of these fall products. I love this scent so much. It honestly makes me want to use it every day, and I think it looks really cute sitting next to the sink.
Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course.
Len asks, is that all mascara or do you use false lashes? And you guys, it is all mascara. So many of you actually asked the same question, so I wanted to make sure to mention it. It is only $4.99 on Amazon. I will link it for you. It's also available at the drugstore, but they're always sold out. It's by the Essence brand, and it is the false lash effect or something like that. It has a really long name, but I will link it for you, and I cannot recommend it enough. I get this question almost every single day.
Heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces.
Next up is Crystal. She asked, what tips do you have for someone who's getting ready to start a channel? I can tell you it is so worth it and also so much work. I definitely recommend that you do a lot of research on products and equipment and how to post and all of that stuff. Watch Video Influencers. It's a great channel on all aspects of YouTube. They just released a book too, so definitely just watch as many videos on posting and ideas as you can and read articles and all that stuff, and you will be great. Hi to Brittany. She asked for my favorite foundation that doesn't look cakey, and I love the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. I believe it's called the Infallible Pro Matte. I've been wearing that for years. I always will try something different, but I keep coming back to it because it is so good. If you have oily skin or even combination skin, this is just the perfect foundation. It has lasted on me longer than any other foundation has ever lasted on me, so that's why I always go back to it. And Nikki asked, what's your favorite part about being a YouTuber? And the absolute best part is just talking to you guys. Every single day I respond to all my comments on all my videos, as many comments and DMs on Instagram as I possibly can, and I actually have met a few of you in person, very unexpectedly obviously, which is so exciting every time. I feel like I know you guys and you feel like you know me, so yeah, that's just the best part. I love it. That's why I keep doing it. That's why it's almost 1 in the morning right now and I'm filming this voiceover, because I know a lot of you guys really like to watch these videos in the morning before work, so I just want to make sure I have it up for you. I was about to vacuum, I took my thumbnail picture, and here's what I'm dealing with right now. The struggle is so real. The last one's from Lyric. She wants to know if my espresso machine is worth it, and you guys, it is so worth it. It actually is a great deal for that style machine. It's a Nespresso and it's in the back corner by the flowers. I know it's a little bright right now, but you can probably see it. I use it almost every day. I probably annoy you guys by how much I share it on my Instagram story, but it's worth the investment. It is amazing coffee. It's at home lattes every single day. I'm going to end this video here. I'm just going to edit this video probably all night. I'm making dinner right now. I'm making brown rice in the Instapots and then probably some chicken after. I kind of want to do like a burrito bowl at home. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do the rest of the night. But thank you guys so much for watching and spending the time with me as always. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and the bell to be notified whenever a new video is posted. And I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!